Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use an adjustment layer in Adobe Premiere Pro so you can apply effects to multiple clips at once. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Open your project and make sure your sequence is ready. Go to the Project panel. Click the New Item button at the bottom. Click Adjustment Layer. Click OK to match your sequence settings. The adjustment layer is now created. Drag the adjustment layer onto a video track above your clips. Stretch it to cover the clips you want to affect. Now select the adjustment layer. Go to the Effects panel. Drag any effect, like Lumetri Color, onto the adjustment layer. The effect applies to all clips underneath. Adjustment layers help keep edits clean and consistent. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.